Hello and welcome back to another episode of our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you to change video quality on Amazon Prime Video. Before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and then search for primevideo.com and get logged into your account. Now to change the video quality, firstly you need to pick a video that you want to watch and then play that video, and once that video get played you will be able to see gear icon on the top of the video. Tap on that icon and there you will be able to see video quality options. Now choose the video quality according to your internet speed, as good quality uses about 0.38 GB per hour and in better quality it uses about 1.40 GB per hour and in best quality uses about 6.84 GB per hour. Now pick the one that is best for you. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.